Hi friends, welcome to this multiplication short trick series. In this series, I will teach you few short tricks by which you will be easily able to do multiplication of any two numbers very quickly. So this is the trick number 1 of this series. For the links of other tricks of the series, check the description box of this video. So here I have few numbers and have to do their multiply. The first number is 52 into 11. So in this, for this I will just write few numbers and I will get the answer. So 572 is 52 into 11. And similarly, if the number is 486 into 111, then for this again I will just put few zeros and I will get the answer. So you can see that how fast we are able to get the answers of these questions using this trick. So if you want to solve these questions as fast as me, then watch this trick till the end. So after watching this video, you will be able to multiply any number with series of 11, such as 11, 111, 1111, etc. So this trick has just two simple steps. So consider that first I have to solve 52 into 11. So how will I do that? So for this, what we will do this that step 1. So in step 1, you have to take this first number, that is 52, and check the number of digits in 11. So here you can see that in 11 there are 2 digits. Now, how many digits are there? Just you have to subtract 1 from that. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, you have to put these many zeros to the right and left of this number. So we will put 1 0 to the right and 1 0 to the left of this number. Now, we have come to step number 2. So in step 2, what you have to do is that you have to make pairs of two digits. So, and you have to add them. So starting from this end, you will make pairs of two digits and keep on adding them. So the first pair will be 2 plus 0, and that is 2. Now you have to leave one digit and take the next pair. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Again, you will leave one digit and take the next pair. So 0 plus 5 is 5. So this 572 is our answer. So now let's take one more question. This time we have to multiply 423 by 111. So here you can see that there are 3 digits in this one. So we will take 3 minus 1, that is 2 zeros on the right and left of this number. So first write 423 and on the right and left of this number put 2 zeros. Now step 2, in which you have to make pairs. But this time you can see that we are having 3 ones in the number. So that's why we will make pairs of 3 digits. So in 11 case we were taking pairs of 2 digits. But in 111 case we will take pairs of 3 digits. So similarly, if we have to multiply any number with 1111, you can see that there are 4 digits. So we will make pairs of 4 numbers. And similarly, if we have to multiply any number by 5 ones, then we will make pairs of 5 numbers. So this will keep on continuing. Now we have to make pairs of 3 digits. So the first pair will be 3 plus 0 plus 0, that is 3. Now you have to leave one and take the next. So 2 plus 3 plus 0 is 5. Leave one, take the next. So 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9. Now leave one, take the next. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Now leave one, take the next. So 4 plus 0 is 4. So now you can see that there are no more space for making pairs of 3 digits. So here we will end. Now this will be our answer 46953. Now let's do another question. This time we have to multiply 486 by 111. So again we will do step 1, in which we will see that how many digits there are in this number. You can see that there are 3 digits. So we will take 2 zeros. So 486 and 2 zeros to the right, 2 zeros to the left. Now again there are 3 digits. So we will make pairs of 3 digits. So first pair will be 6 plus 0 plus 0, that is 6. Now leave 1, take the next. This will be 8 plus 6 plus 0, that is 14. So now there is a small change. Now we are having, in the addition we are having 14. So what will happen to this 1? It will be taken as carryover to the next pair. So when we will do the next addition, then at that time we will take it as carryover. So in the next addition we are getting 8 plus 6 plus 4, and that is 18. But you can see that there is one carryover also. So we will write 9. And again one carryover is there. So again 1. Now in the next pair it will be 4 plus 8 plus 1. So that will be 30. Now one more carryover. So again take one carryover. Now the next pair 4 plus 0 and carry over 1. So this will become 5. Now this is our answer 53946. So this time we are having a 4-digit number, that is 3852, and we have to multiply it by 1111. So step 1, see the number of digits in this number. So you can see that in 1111 there are 4 digits. So therefore we will take 3 zeros. Now we will take this number and put 3 zeros to the right and left of this number. Now what we will do? We will just make pairs. So this time we have to make pairs of 4 digits each, because in the number there are 4 ones. There are 4 digits. So the first pair will become 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. Now leave 1, take the next. So this will become 7. Now leave 1, take the next. So this will become 15. Now leave 1, take the next. So this will become, and there was one carryover also in 15. So this will become 19. Now leave 1, take the next. Again we are getting a carryover. So this time it will become 17. Now leave 1, take the next. Again we are getting a carryover. So this time we are getting 12. Now leave 1, take the next. So this time we are getting 4. So this will be our answer 4279572. So you can see that so huge calculations can also be done easily by this trick. Now I am giving you few practice questions based on this trick, and you have to give the answers in comment box of this video. Whosoever will give all the answers correct, he will be getting special appreciation.